I want to bring on one of TTG's pro trading moderators that absolutely crushed this trade today. Everybody give a big warm welcome to Shy.
Yo, yo, yo.
There she is. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, just like super calm, cool, collected. Like, oh yeah, Tesla, no big deal. You know, it just is what it is.
You keep saying 50, we were over 70%.
Oh, I'm sorry, over 70%.
There we go.
I'm sorry, over 70%.
There we go.
My mistake. Love it. Everyone's giving you the cha-ching, Shy. They're all giving you the cha-ching. Incredible.
The cha-ching. It was a good day.
So walk us through, kind of talk to me about the Tesla trade. How did you do it? What was the analysis?
I mean, you kind of gave the analysis, but this was my number one idea for today. Tesla, I like the high volatility stocks, and Tesla moves probably crazier than anything else. And I came on the mic this morning, and because I couldn't alert, because I traded this both ways today, and I think a lot of people traded it with me. But during pre-market, I came on the mic and I said, off the open, I'm buying calls, right? And I want us to get up to that 169, 170 level. And then I'm switching to puts, and like that was my analysis. And I said as soon as the market opened, and I will do this sometimes, like when you see a stop gap down to like a key support level or maybe a moving average or something like that, I may just buy calls off the open, because typically you get shorts covering, because let's say you held, you bought Tesla for earnings and you got your move. Typically when the market opens, there's, they sell, and then you get like a nice little pop if it's on the key support. So I came on the mic and said, I'm buying calls as soon as the market open. I'm not going to be able to alert it, but I'm hopping in. And then when we get to like 168, I'm hopping out, right? Because I said, I don't think we're going to move that much, but I think we can catch like a $3-4 move up. And then I'm switching to puts. So like that was the game plan. So the market opened, I hopped in calls. I kind of walked the members through the calls, told them when I was in, when I was getting out. And then I switched to puts, and I hopped into 167 and a half puts for next week. I bought them at 520, and we just took profit off the whole way down. We even had a chance to reload some of them. Some members reloaded at 165 during the day. But all in all, just a great trade, an easy trade. That level was never in question. We never got back up there to 169 throughout the whole day. So just a simple, easy, buy it, set your sell orders, and then, relax, and just watch it rip.
It's beautiful. That's what I'm getting at there. It's like, you heard in the video clip that we just played talking about that 164 level being support enough to get us up to that 169. And then you go ahead and take that short entry inside in both ways. The long side off the open and catch like that $4 or $5 pop from.
Yeah, like we caught like a 30-40% move off the open, and then switched to puts and caught like a 70% move. So we just traded it both ways.
That's it. And that's what I'm saying. Like if you guys are quick and you like to get in and out quick, then okay, take them both ways. Or if you're just like, listen, I like to be a little bit more relaxed. I like to just like, I don't like the craziness of them. Okay, well then just wait for it to get into that short zone that we talked about. It was Shy's number one play for the day. You heard me go over that. One of the top trade ideas of the day for me as well. And that's what I really like. I really like when multiple moderators have the same idea and they have the same plan, they see the same levels, they see the same setup, and they both, or two of us or three of us or four of us all have a high conviction level trade. I mean, guys, when it's almost like the stars are aligning when you have something like that come to fruition. And that 169 level is just absolute money. And then the rest of this was just history. So talk to me about the put side, because I know the call side was a nice little appetizer, but the main core.
Yeah, let me read to you like my if you don't mind, let me read to you my watch list like verbatim. Sure. I said Tesla. I said I would expect some short covering once the market opens. Looking at calls at the open for a move back close to the 100-day moving average, right around 170. And then puts off that level back to 165. I have the 421 because I played it close for the call. So I had this week 170 call on watch. Extremely volatile, quick trade, and then the 428, 160, 167 puts on watch. So like verbatim. Yeah, so the put side of it was like pretty simple, like grab the calls, we get up to 160, like 169, 168, and then I grabbed the puts but before the drop, and then we start making lower highs, so when you start making those lower highs, it's on,
And you were what?
I mean,
Was it you got them what, like right after 10 o'clock, or was it around
right after 10 o'clock?
Around 10 o'clock, right? So it was like right in here.
Yeah.
The entry for now the puts after the quick call trade. So the entry of the put, and again, guys, it's against this 169 level, right? So like this was the level that we were talking about. You saw the video clip just a few moments ago. That's the level. So now switches it to the short after that level rejects. You see the strong rejection there, a nice rejection off that resistance. So now grab the puts. You never tested this level again. And then, and what contract was it? It was the
167.5 for next week at 520.
Okay, so the 167.5 strike, the April 28th expiration, guys. So that's going to be next Friday's at $5.20. And then you guys can just see a nice little, we formed like a nice little wedge here, like a nice little kind of like a nice little pennant here. And then you just got the follow through move. Once that pennant once that wedge broke, and then it just rolled over, man. It just rolled over.
And look at that volume increase on that break.
Yep. Right.
If you can see the volume increase on on the break.
There.
And then we got to that 165 level, took some profit. And then I wrote the rest down to 162, took some profit. And then I said I'm going to take some right above the 160, like right above 160. So it was almost bottom ticked it, but it was like 160, like 70 something. I took some profit, and then I'm just holding like a small piece of it just to see if we get further downside.
I like it.
But out of book position. So just 3 take profits, fairly easy trade.